Hi all, welcome to Ami's Tuition. Today's video is on 2018 ICR Question Answer Part 2. First question, gypsum on heating to 390 Kelvin gives options CaSO4 2H2O, option B CaSO4, option C CaSO4 half H2O, option D SO3 and CaO. The correct answer is option C CaSO4 half H2O. What is gypsum? Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate, that is CaSO4 2H2O is called gypsum. When gypsum is heated at 390 Kelvin, then it loses its water molecules and converts into CaSO4 half H2O. CaSO4 half H2O is also known as plaster of Paris. Next question is, what is Epsom salt? Options are MgSO4 7H2O, CaSO4 H2O, MgSO4 2H2O, BaSO4 2H2O. The answer is option A, MgSO4 7H2O. The chemical formula of Epsom salt is MgSO4 7H2O, or it is also known as magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Next question, atomic orbitals of carbon in carbon dioxide are options sp hybridized, sp3 dehybridized, sp2 hybridized, sp3 hybridized. The answer is option A, sp hybridized. That is, in the formation of carbon dioxide molecule, hybridization of orbitals involving only one s and one p to give sp type of hybridization. So the correct answer is option A, sp hybridized. Next question, the ionic mobility of alkali metal ions in aqueous solution is maximum for options K plus, Rb plus, Li plus, Na plus. The answer is option B, Rb plus. Here we need to know 3 points. 1. Size of cation, 2. Degree of hydration, 3. Ionic mobility. The size of cation is inversely proportional to degree of hydration, and size of cation is directly proportional to ionic mobility. In other words, we can say down the group, size of cation is large, degree of hydration is low, ionic mobility is high. Next question, the temperature at which 28 gram of nitrogen will occupy a volume of 10 liter at 2.46 atm. The options are 299.6 K, 0 degrees Celsius, 273 Kelvin, 10 degrees Celsius. The answer is option A, 299.6 Kelvin. We can find the answer by using the formula PV is equal to nRT. Here P is equal to 2.46, V is equal to 10, N is equal to 1. Here the volume is in liter and pressure is in atm. Then the value of R is 0.0821. By solving, we get the answer T is equal to 299.6 Kelvin. Next question, how many ions are produced from hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride in solution? The options are 6, 4, 3, 2. The correct answer is option B, 4, that is 4 ions are produced. Next question, which of the following compound is most reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction? Options: ethanol, propanol, butanol, propanol. The correct answer is option A, ethanol. Ethanol is more reactive because aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. What is a nucleophile? Electron-rich species having affinity to positive charge. Alkyl groups donates electrons to neighboring groups and gets positive charge, or it show plus I effect. The higher the length of alkyl group attached, the greater will be the electron donation to neighboring atom. As a result, the attack of nucleophile decreases because of alkyl groups. That is, higher the length of alkyl group, lower the chance of nucleophilic reaction. Here, the butanone is less reactive because the length of alkyl group is higher. So, it donates more electrons and it gets more positive charge. Due to the more positive charge of alkyl group, the attack of nucleophile decreases. The next question is, the product formed as a result of reaction of CH3MgBr and CO2 on further hydrolysis gives options: CH3COOH, HCOOH, oxalic acid, acetic acid. The correct answer is option A, CH3COOH. We know that CH3NGBr is called Grignard reagent. Send CO2 gas to Grignard reagent in either solution followed by hydrolysis. We get the product ethanoic acid. Next question, what is the mole fraction of solute in 2.5 m aqueous solution? Options: 0.430, 4.30, 3.40, 0.043. Moles of solute is 2.5. Moles of water is equal to 1000 by molecular mass of water is 18. That is 1000 by 18 is equal to 55.55. The mole fraction is N1 by N1 plus N2. That is 2.5 divided by 2.5 plus 55.55. The answer is 0.043. Next question. The nitrogen atom has 7 protons and 7 electrons. The nitride ion will have options: 7 protons and 10 electrons. Option B, 4 protons and 7 electrons. Option C, 4 protons and 10 electrons. Option D, 10 protons and 7 electrons. The answer is option A, 7 protons and 10 electrons. We know that the atomic number of nitrogen is 7, which means in neutral state it has 7 electrons and 7 protons. Nitride ion means it gains 3 electrons. Number of electrons in nitride ion is equal to atomic number plus charge of the ion, that is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Next question, the units of conductivity are options: ohm raised to minus 1. Option B, ohm raised to minus 1, centimeter raised to minus 1. Option 3, ohm raised to minus 2, cm raised to 2, equivalent raised to minus 1. Option D, ohm raised to minus 1, cm raised to 2. The correct answer is option B, ohm raised to minus 1, cm raised to minus 1. Conductivity is equal to conductance into cell constant. Next question. The compound with an isopropyl group is options 2,2,3,3 tetramethyl pentane. Option B, 2,2 dimethyl pentane. Option 3, 2,2,3 trimethyl pentane. Option D, 2-methyl pentane. The answer is option D, 2-methyl pentane. Iso word is used for alkanes which have a methyl group attached to the second carbon atom of the continuous chain. Hence, 2-methyl pentane is a compound with an isopropyl group. Next question. Which is strongest Lewis acid? Options BF3, BCl3, BBr3, BI3. The answer is option D. One thing you must remember, acidity increases down the group. Therefore, BI3 is more acidic than BF3, BCl3, BBr3. Next question. The appearance of color in solid alkali metal halides is generally due to options Schottky defect, Frenkel defect, interstitial position, F centers. The answer is option D, F centers. In metal excess defect, F centers are produced in an ionic crystal which are responsible for the appearance of color in solid alkali metal halides. Next question. Bravais lattices are of options 8 types, 9 types, 12 types, 14 types. Correct answer is option D, 14 types. Next question. The compound formed in the positive test for nitrogen with the lysine solution of an organic compound is option A is correct. Iron 3 hexacyanoferrate 2 or Persian blue is the answer. Next question. The noble gas which can diffuse through rubber and glass easily is xenon, neon, argon, helium. The correct answer is option D, helium. Helium has an unusual property of diffusing through rubber and glass. Next question. Laughing gas is options dinitrogen oxide, nitrogen tetroxide, hydrogen peroxide, none of the above. The correct answer is dinitrogen oxide. Dinitrogen oxide is also called nitrous oxide. Next, the correct order regarding the electronegativity of hybrid orbitals of carbon is, the correct answer is option D. sp3 orbital have less electronegativity compared to sp2 and sp2 have less negativity compared to sp. In sp hybridization, S character is 50% and in sp2 hybridization, S character is 33.3 and in sp3 hybridization, S character is 25%. As S character increases, electronegativity increases. Therefore, sp have high electronegativity. Next question. Which of the following has highest ionization enthalpy? Options: phosphorus, nitrogen, arsenic, antimony. The correct answer is option B, nitrogen. All the elements included in group 15. Down the group, atomic size increases. Therefore, ionization energy or ionization enthalpy decreases. Nitrogen is the first element in 15th group. Therefore, nitrogen has high ionization enthalpy or ionization energy compared to other elements in this group. Next question. The geometry of XeOF2 is options: pyramidal, T-shaped, octahedral, tetrahedral. The answer is option B, T-shaped. Geometry of XeOF2 is like this. Next question. The noble gas compound prepared by Bartlett was options: XeO3, XePtF6, KrF2, XeF2. The correct answer is option B, XePtF6. XePtF6 was prepared by Bartlett. Next question. The atomic number of nickel and copper are 28 and 29 respectively. The electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10 represents options: nickel, nickel 2 plus, Cu2 plus, Cu plus. The answer is option D, Cu plus. The atomic number of nickel is 28 and the subshell configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. Atomic number of copper is 29 and subshell configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. Cu plus means copper lost the 4s electron and having configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10. Next question. How many coulombs are required to deposit 50 gram of aluminium when the electrode reaction is Al3 plus 3 electron gives Al? The options are 536,111 coulomb, 536.111 coulomb, 96,500 coulomb, 38,600 coulomb. Answer is option A, 536,111 coulomb. Al3 plus 3 electron gives Al. 1 mole of aluminium requires 3 moles of electron or 3 into 96,500 coulomb. 1 mole of aluminium is 27 gram. 27 gram of aluminium require 3 into 96,500 coulomb. 50 gram of aluminium require 3 into 96,500 coulomb into 50 by 27. And solving we get the answer 536,111 coulomb. Next question. Percentage of cation in ammonium dichromate is options: 41.29, 14.29, option C 20.29, option D none of these. The answer is option B 14.29 percentage. We can solve the problem very easily. Molecular formula of ammonium dichromate is NH4 twice Cr2O7. Molecular weight is 252. NH4 is cation, its 2 mole is there. So mass is equal to 2 into 18 is equal to 36. Then percentage of NH4 is equal to mass of 2 mole of NH4 plus divided by total mass of ammonium dichromate into 100. That is 36 by 252 into 100 is equal to 14.2. Next question. Which of the following represents the given mode of hybridization sp2, sp2, sp, sp from left to right? The correct answer is option A. These are the hybridization of given options. Match list 1 and list 2 and pick out correct matching codes from the given choices. The correct answer is option B. That is ClF3 is T-shaped, PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal shape, IF5 is square pyramidal shape, CCl4 is tetrahedral in shape, XeF4 is square planar in shape. Next question. For an equilibrium reaction, the rate constants for the forward and backward reaction are 2.38 into 10 raised to minus 4 and 8.15 into 10 raised to minus 5 respectively. What will be the equilibrium constant for the reaction? Options are 92.2, 29.2, 20.2, 2.92. The correct answer is option D, 2.92. How to calculate equilibrium constant? K is equal to Kf by Kb. Kf is 2.38 into 10 raised to minus 4. Kb is 8.15 into 10 raised to minus 5. By solving, we get the answer 2.92.